Where are we off to today, darling?
We're going to the Malmsbury Botanical Gardens. We're going to check them out. It's a gorgeous day here in beautiful Ballarat.
I haven't been there yet. So.
No, so we're going to go and have a look at that, aren't we, darling?
Yep.
We have Lucy on board. We have the doggy pram on board. We have everything on board. I'm sure we take more now than we did with kids. What do you think, darling?
Oh, definitely. Definitely.
So we'll see you in Malmsbury.
See you there.
Lucy is very comfortable and very safe. Look, sunroof open, glorious day.
Are you brought him? I thought I left him in the car.
No.
Is all.
So it was a lovely drive. I drove all the way, didn't I, darling?
Yes, you did. Do you want to dip it?
No. I didn't bring any biscuits.
Oh. Got mandarins?
Yes, I didn't bring biscuits for Bert this time.
Teddy want a little drink too?
So we really love the aqueduct over here. The bridge we'll show you in a moment. It's just beautiful. It's got 5 arches in it, and I love arches. And the bluestone was sourced locally, and it was built in 1860, so it's quite old. Absolutely beautiful. And the trains still use it. The train line to Bendigo. So isn't that wonderful? Still used today.
We missed the train before. Hopefully there might be another one.
I always think it's lovely that you come to these places and people have planted trees knowing they'll never see them reach their maturity. The trees here are amazing, and Bert's hoping to get some
Drone footage and some nice photos. With a bit of luck.
drone footage above the trees.
Yes.
Yes.
And through the trees.
Yes, so that'll be nice. We'll see what we get anyway. There's no people here,
No.
just us. We were talking to a lady and she'd lived here for 23 years and she's considered a local. I love the way you share your crackers with Lucy, darling. That's so kind.
You told me to.
Oh no.
Of course you can have crackers. That was the whole idea of it.
There's the most beautiful tree over here. So old. So many knobbles on it. I love trees. It's got the best branches. It reminds me of my tree in the lounge room. On the big picture that we've got. It is gorgeous. It's called a holly oak. So big. I cut this around you. Yeah, it'll be fine. Oh dear. She's having the best time foraging around, aren't she, Miss? She loves foraging around, smelling all the new smells and all the ducks and birds and everything that's different. Oh, I look up at trees and I feel so small. There's crimson rosellas up there. I'm thinking about our Morticia and Gomez at home. Embrace your inner child. Hug a tree. Climb a tree. I'm just not brave enough.
We'll get up. We'll play something else.
So I wanted to climb the tree and I'm too frightened because you know what I'm like with heights and things. So Bert said he'll do it for me. I told him to be careful of the ants on it. Look, Jose! Look, Jose! Look, Ahiranta! I've got my own Jose. I've got my own Indiana Jones. Let's just hope it doesn't end up the Temple of Doom.
Let's hope I don't end up like Teddy.
Come on, sweetheart, you can do it. Yes, he's done it. He's up the tree. Bert in the tree. All right, that's far enough. Don't go any higher. Bert, you have to come back down, darling.
No, no.
Hang on, I can't get you from that angle. Okay. So, Richard, when he can't work this week, look, wow, well done. Wait, stop, I've got to get a photo of you. Oh, I can't use that. This could end badly. I was going to do it, guys. You heard me. I was there first. I was hugging the tree. I was into it.
She made me do it.
And Bert said, I'll do it for you. Do you need a hand, darling?
Hey?
I can put the camera down and come and help. Yes! Got a foothold. It's a beautiful climbing tree. Beautiful. Here goes a train. Stop there, Bert. Stop. I've got to get the train. Going over the aqueduct. Of course I left the gimbal at home again. Sorry, guys. Okay, Bert. Okay. You did it! I'm so proud of you. Oh, that's a mammoth effort. Lucy's very relieved that you've got to the bottom.
So am I.
How do you
Upright.
feel? How do you feel?
Just used a few muscles I haven't used for a long time.
So Bert's got the drone out. I can't even see it. I don't know why they're painted grey. Grey plastic. How silly is that? Come on, sweetheart. We're walking with you. You're going to have some great footage. These are photos that Bert took with his camera. I thought you'd enjoy them. Aren't the geese gorgeous? Just gorgeous. Darlings, you know how they say that ladies carry too much in their handbags? You want to see Bert's handbag. And it weighs over 3 kilos. It is so heavy. And because it's got everything in it, I can't leave it at the picnic table. So guess who's lugging it around? Yes, me. It's so heavy. Oh, men. Joys of having to wear sensible footwear due to foot injuries. The trees in Malmesbury are huge. They're magnificent. Look at this courtyard. And look what I spot. Can you see it? Can you see it? Oh, look at the little gnomies in there. Can you see? Look, they're hanging on gnomes. How sweet. Oh, that's so cute. Malmesbury is full of delights. Hi Peter and Jojo, I'm thinking of you and wondering if this is one of those troughs. The writing's worn off completely, but it looks like the one in Ballarat. So I wonder. I hope your mental health's been well this week and that you've kept on top of things and looked after yourself, done something for yourself every day. We certainly have tried. Lucy's been tying me in tangles the whole time on this trip, but anyway, it was lots of fun. My ankle was swollen up and very sore for 3 days. Bert? Oh, Lucy!
It's too hard to move.
I am in such a knot. Oh. It's around it twice. She just wants to be with you. Sheesh, that was a waste.